Welcome to the WIDA Bytes video series October edition. Take a moment to look closely at this image from WIDA's Focus Bulletin on Collaboration. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Perhaps you noticed the color coding of the students in each paradigm. There's a boy and a girl in the red shirts within the oval, yet the students outside of that oval are all wearing blue. Gen Ed are seen as a homogeneous group, and EL students are viewed as separate in the 20th century paradigm. However, in the 21st century paradigm on the right, you see a variety of students represented. All are included in the circle and viewed as having individual needs.
Perhaps you wondered about the small, isolated orange oval in the 20th century paradigm compared to the large, inclusive blue circle in the 21st century paradigm. In the 20th century paradigm, the responsibility for ELs falls to the EL teacher, perhaps in an antiquated pull-out model. However, in the 21st century, there's a shared sense of responsibility for all students. All of the teachers are connected in an inclusive circle. We often see this optimized in the co-teaching service model. Which image best reflects the current student experience at your school? As ILPs will be rolling out soon, be thinking about how you can collaborate with others in your building to support students. Please use this QR code or tiny URL to access the full WIDA Focus Bulletin about collaboration.